Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the difference between working in the front loops only or the back loops only. In crochet patterns, this will be abbreviated as FLO for front loops only or BLO for back loops only. When determining which is the front loop and which is the back loop, you'll see that your stitches look like a V that is on its side. While crocheting, the side that is always facing towards you is going to be considered the right side of the work, which means that the loop closest to you is going to be the front loop. The loop that is behind will be the back loop. To crochet in the front loops, insert the hook under the front loop, coming up and in between it and the back loop. Make a single crochet as normal. And that's how you crochet in the front loop. You're going to insert your hook into the front loop, so go in between the back and the front, yarn over, pull through, and make a single crochet. Let's do that again. Insert into the center, underneath the front loop, yarn over and pull through, and then complete your single crochet. After making a few stitches, you'll start to notice that the back loops are visible because we're not putting any single crochets into them. Now, when a pattern states to work in the back loops only, we're going to insert the hook into the center of the V from the top and go under the back loop. Then we're going to make a single crochet like normal. So again, you're going to insert it into the center of your stitch. So underneath the back loop, yarn over, and pull through a loop, and then yarn over and complete your single crochet. So you'll see that you have a front loop and the back loop, and you're just going to make sure that you're going underneath the back loop. Again, after making a few stitches in the back loops, you'll notice that the front loops are all visible. And that's how you crochet in the front and back loops. This one was the one where we crocheted in the front loops and our back loops are visible. This one we crocheted in the back loops and our front loops were visible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!